In today's interconnected world, cybersecurity is paramount. We often hear about IT cybersecurity, protecting our computers and data. But there's another, equally crucial domain, operational technology or OT cybersecurity. OT encompasses the systems that control physical processes. Think power grids, manufacturing plants, and traffic systems. These systems are often hidden but essential for our daily lives. Unlike IT systems focused on data protection, OT prioritizes the safety and reliability of physical processes. A cyber attack on an OT system could have devastating real-world consequences. Imagine a power outage across a city or a malfunctioning manufacturing line. The potential for disruption is enormous. Understanding the unique challenges and solutions within OT cybersecurity is crucial in our increasingly interconnected world. OT systems are becoming increasingly interconnected. This interconnectedness, while beneficial, also introduces vulnerabilities. Hackers can exploit these vulnerabilities to disrupt critical infrastructure and cause significant damage. Protecting OT systems is not just about preventing data breaches, it's about safeguarding human lives and preventing catastrophic events. A cyber attack on a power grid, for example, could lead to widespread blackouts, impacting hospitals, transportation, and essential services. Protecting our critical infrastructure requires a robust OT cybersecurity strategy. This includes securing systems, detecting threats, and responding effectively to incidents. The consequences of inaction are simply too high to ignore. OT cybersecurity spans numerous industries, safeguarding critical infrastructure and essential services. In industrial automation, it protects manufacturing processes from cyber attacks. Energy and utilities rely heavily on OT cybersecurity. Power grids, oil refineries, and water treatment plants are prime targets for hackers. Protecting these systems is crucial for maintaining essential services. Transportation systems, from traffic lights to railway networks, rely on OT. Cybersecurity ensures these systems operate smoothly, preventing accidents. Maasifia Section 4. Charting a course. Building a career in OT cybersecurity. The field of OT cybersecurity is rapidly growing, offering diverse career paths for technically minded individuals. Professionals with backgrounds in computer science, electrical engineering, and related fields are highly sought after. Technical skills are essential. Proficiency in network security, risk assessment, and incident response is crucial. Knowledge of industrial control systems, or ICS, and supervisory control and data acquisition, also known as SCADA systems, is highly valued. Industry knowledge is equally important. Understanding the unique challenges and regulations of specific sectors like manufacturing, energy, or transportation is essential for effective OT cybersecurity. Soft skills, including communication, problem-solving, and teamwork, are also valuable assets. OT cybersecurity professionals often work in teams and need to communicate complex technical information clearly. Certifications and continuous learning for OT professionals. The field of OT cybersecurity is constantly evolving. Continuous learning is essential to stay updated on the latest threats and vulnerabilities. Certifications demonstrate expertise and commitment. CISSP is a globally recognized certification covering cybersecurity topics, including OT security. SANS offers specialized certifications like GICSP and ICSSP, focusing on OT security. These certifications enhance career prospects. Online courses and industry conferences are vital for staying current. Section 6. Conclusion. A secure future with OT cybersecurity. OT cybersecurity is not just a technical issue, it's a societal imperative. As our world becomes increasingly interconnected, the protection of critical infrastructure and essential services is paramount. By understanding the importance of OT cybersecurity, embracing continuous learning, and pursuing relevant certifications, we can build a more secure and resilient future. The demand for skilled OT cybersecurity professionals will only continue to grow, offering rewarding and impactful career opportunities. Let us rise to the challenge and ensure the safety and reliability of the systems that power our modern world.